Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the redevelopment plans for the National Stadium in Jamaica. Now, as you know, Jamaica is one of the leading nations in track and field, a superpower when it comes on to the track. Jamaica has won gold medals in 4 out of the last 5 Olympic Games for the men's 100 meter, the men's 200 meter, the women's 100 meter, and the women's 200 meter. I don't think that has ever been done before. Now, this is the National Stadium in Jamaica. This is the most popular sporting arena or stadium in Jamaica. So the government has plans to do some mega renovations here. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what they plan to do here and how far they have reached with the plans. National Stadium redevelopment moves forward. The government has accepted a proposal from United Kingdom firms Ryder Architecture and CAA Icon for the redevelopment of the National Stadium in Kingston. Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, Honorable Olivia Grange made a disclosure at a press conference at her New Kingston offices to provide an update on the project. The entities have been involved in other stadium projects around the world such as the Wembley, Arsenal's Emirates, the O2 and Stamford Bridge in London, and Stadio Roma and the San Siro in Italy. Minister Grange noted that the proposal from the firms not only addresses the shortcomings of the existing stadium but identifies the full potential of the venue through qualitative and quantitative assessments. The redevelopment project, which is slated to begin in August 2025, is expected to be undertaken over 3 years. It will entail dispensing with the existing bleachers, providing the new seating options, establishing modern facilities for anti-doping, new facilities for media, establishment of a modern and iconic national sports museum, installing new modern lighting and meeting and conference facilities, premium suites and lounges, new concession facilities, among other upgrades. Earlier this year, the Government of Jamaica and the UK signed a framework for cooperation to undertake the National Stadium redevelopment project. The next step is to proceed to Phase 1, which is a stadium assessment and feasibility study, Minister Grange said. The study, she noted, includes a thorough economic and feasibility analysis to identify local and international market demands to ensure that use and design proposals are aligned to economic demand. The results will inform Phase 2, which is the project initiation, concept design and approval, and Phase 3 will involve the detailed design and appointment of a contractor. Phase 4 will involve construction, and Phase 5 is the operational readiness and handover. Minister Grange said that the government is determined and deliberate about developing the National Stadium into a world-class facility that meets the regulatory requirements of international sports federations. During the last few years, we have been able to resurface the running tracks, upgrade the aquatic center, upgrade the basketball and Leela Robinson netball courts, among other improvements, she pointed out. So that's the end of the update article. So some major plans, they have some major plans for this facility. I'm just going to go over that section again. It will entail dispensing of the existing bleachers, and the bleachers is that section over there on the right that's covered, where you can see a different type of seating, that's the bleachers. Providing new seating options, establishing modern facilities for anti-doping, new facilities for media, establishment of a modern and iconic sports museum, ins- installing new modern lighting and meeting and conference facilities, premium suites and lounges, new concession facilities, among other upgrades. So this is a mega project, and it's needed because when you have a track meet in Jamaica, media from all over the world come. So I'm sure they need to expand and improve on the media facilities here. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and let us know what you think about these changes. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.